Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live on the RedNote app. So first things first, of course, go ahead and open up the RedNote app and make sure when you're in home screen, you're not under follow or you're not in nearby. You want to be on explore. Okay. Now here, scroll all the way to the left and you will see this option right here that says live. So go ahead and click on that. And you will see all the people who are currently live on a RedNote. So whatever interests you, you can decide to go ahead and click on that. Let me click on something random right here. Let's click on this. Okay, let's just click on this right here, guys.
一排可以反复这样子吸住上睫毛、大拇指的睫毛根。
All right, so I've closed that. So it's really easy and simple, guys. That's so simple to go ahead and watch someone live on the RedNote app.